Tired of cheap solar lights that stop working in weeks? We've tested and found the best affordable solar lights on AliExpress, and trust us, they actually deliver. These lights are bright, weatherproof, long-lasting, and perfect for lighting up your garden, pathway, balcony, or driveway without breaking the bank. If you want stylish outdoor lighting that's easy to install and budget-friendly, these are the must-haves you need to see. Real reviews, honest pros and cons, everything you need before you buy. Let's dive in and light up your outdoors the smart way. Let's start with the first product. This is the 616 Solar Outdoor LED Wall Light, a great solution for brightening up your garden, terrace, garage, or courtyard without any wiring hassles. This light runs entirely on solar power, so it charges itself during the day using sunlight. That means no electricity costs and no complicated installation. One of the coolest features is its built-in human body motion sensor. When someone approaches, the light instantly turns on, which not only saves energy, but also enhances security around your home. You don't have to worry about switching it on or off manually. It's also fully waterproof and weatherproof, so heavy rain or harsh outdoor conditions won't stop it from working perfectly. The LEDs are very bright and provide wide coverage, lighting up large outdoor areas clearly. Installing this light was super simple. It comes with screws and instructions, and I was able to mount it on my wall within minutes. Plus, the sensor sensitivity and how long the light stays on after detecting movement can be easily adjusted to fit your preferences. After using it for a few days, I'm really impressed with how reliable and efficient this light is. If you're looking for a hassle-free, eco-friendly outdoor lighting option that adds both safety and style, the 616 Solar Outdoor LED Wall Light is definitely worth checking out. Next up, the second product on our list is the Outdoor Motion Sensor Solar Light Rechargeable 146 COB Solar Wall Lights, a perfect lighting solution for your garden, porch, driveway, street, or any outdoor space. These lights are fully solar-powered, so no wiring or electricity costs. Just place them in a sunny spot and they charge during the day. What's really cool is the built-in motion sensor. The light turns on automatically when it detects movement nearby. This not only saves energy, but also adds a layer of security by lighting up dark areas when someone approaches. You can choose from 1, 4, or 6 COB LEDs depending on how much brightness you need. The LEDs produce bright, clear light covering a wide area. Plus, these lights are waterproof and weather-resistant, so they perform well in rain, snow, or harsh weather without any problem. Installation is super simple. Just mount them on a wall or fence with the included screws. The sensor sensitivity and light duration can also be adjusted to your preference. After using these lights for a few days, I'm impressed by how fast the sensor responds and how well the lights illuminate outdoor spaces. They're durable, energy efficient, and hassle-free, making them a smart choice for anyone looking to upgrade their outdoor lighting with solar motion sensor technology. 3. Now let's take a look at the third product, the Solar Light Outdoor 328 or 348 LED. It features 3 adjustable heads, over 300 super bright LEDs, and multiple lighting modes, making it ideal for your garden, garage, or porch, or any outdoor space. First off, this light really stands out because it has 3 adjustable heads, so you can direct the light exactly where you need it. Inside, it features 328 or 348 super bright LED bulbs that provide excellent illumination, even on the darkest nights. It comes with 3 different lighting modes: full brightness, motion sensor mode, and medium brightness, which you can switch between easily depending on your needs. The motion sensor is very smart and will automatically turn the light on when it detects movement nearby. This light is completely solar-powered, meaning it charges during the day using sunlight and automatically lights up at night. It uses a reliable 3.7-volt lithium battery that offers long-lasting power. No need to worry about rain or moisture because this light is IP65 waterproof and made with durable ABS plastic, making it tough enough to withstand outdoor conditions. Installation is super simple, no wiring needed. Just mount it on your wall with screws and you're good to go. Final thoughts? If you're looking for a bright, energy-efficient, and sturdy outdoor solar light, this model from Newstyle is a fantastic choice. Coming in at number 4, we have the 9 LED solar spotlights. These waterproof RGB color-changing solar spotlights are perfect for adding colorful ambiance to your garden, yard, or palm trees with colorful and adjustable brightness. First off, these lights come with 9 bright LEDs each. And what's really cool is they offer RGB color options, so you can easily change the color to fit any mood or occasion. Whether you want a calm blue, vibrant red, or soothing green, these lights have got you covered. They're solar-powered, which means you don't need to worry about wiring or electricity bills. Just place them in a sunny spot during the day, and they'll charge up nicely. Then at night, they automatically turn on, casting beautiful light on your outdoor spaces. The lights are rated IP65 waterproof, so rain, splashes, or even storms won't damage them, making them super reliable for outdoor use all year round. The build quality is solid, with sturdy stakes to fix them firmly into the ground wherever you want. Another great feature is the adjustable brightness, so you can set the intensity of the light just the way you like it. Perfect for parties, relaxing evenings, or simply enhancing your garden's ambiance. Installation is a breeze. Just push the stakes into the soil and you're done. No cables, no complicated setup. Plus, they're lightweight and easy to move around if you want to change the look of your space. Final thoughts: if you're looking to add some colorful, energy-efficient, and weatherproof lighting to your outdoor areas, these 9 LED solar spotlights are a fantastic choice. They brighten up your garden beautifully while saving on energy costs. Fifth, and finally, last but definitely not least on our list is the 283048 LED Solar Security Light from Newstyle. If you're looking for a bright, reliable, and easy-to-install outdoor lighting solution, this one definitely stands out. First off, this light comes with either 328 or 348 integrated LED bulbs, which means it's seriously bright. It's designed with 3 adjustable heads, so you can direct the light exactly where you want it, covering a wide 270-degree area. This is great for lighting up your yard, driveway, or any dark spots around your home. One of the coolest features is the motion sensor. When it detects movement, the light turns on automatically, perfect for security or just to avoid fumbling in the dark. And if you want, you can switch between 3 different lighting modes using the remote control: motion activated, constant light, or dim mode. This gives you flexibility depending on your needs. Since it's solar-powered with a built-in lithium battery, you don't have to worry about complicated wiring or electricity bills. Just install it anywhere that gets sunlight, and it charges during the day to work all night. The installation is super simple. It's self-contained, so no extra power source needed. Also, this light is IP65 waterproof, so it stands strong against rain, dust, and harsh weather. The body is made of durable ABS plastic, so it's built to last outdoors. Plus, it comes with a 12-month warranty, which is reassuring if anything goes wrong. To sum it up, if you want a super bright, weatherproof, and smart motion sensor solar light that's easy to install and use, this product is a fantastic choice. It's great for security, emergencies, or just brightening your outdoor space without extra cost. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching.